Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a young boy named Aryan. Aryan was a dedicated bodybuilder who spent hours each day working out at the gym, dreaming of becoming a champion. His hard work paid off, and he had developed a strong and muscular physique. One day, a local sports competition was announced in the city. It was open to participants of all ages, and Aryan saw it as an opportunity to showcase his strength and agility. Excitedly, he registered for the competition, eager to prove himself as the strongest contender. As the days passed, Aryan continued his rigorous training routine, focusing solely on building his muscles and increasing his stamina. He believed that his physical strength alone would be enough to win the competition. However, he overlooked an important aspect: the importance of a balanced and healthy lifestyle. A week before the competition, Aryan met a wise old man named Mr. John. Mr. John was known for his wisdom and understanding of life. He noticed Aryan's dedication, but also saw the imbalance in his approach. Mr. John approached Aryan and said, "Young man, I have been observing your intense workouts, and I must say you possess great strength. However, true success lies not just in physical prowess, but in the harmony of the mind, body, and spirit." Aryan listened intently to Mr. John's words, intrigued by his wisdom. Mr. John continued, "To truly excel in sports, you need more than just muscles. You need discipline, proper nutrition, rest, and a positive mindset. Remember, a healthy body is a result of a healthy lifestyle." Aryan reflected on Mr. John's advice and realized that he had been neglecting important aspects of his well-being. He decided to make a change. He started incorporating nutritious food into his diet, ensuring he ate a balanced mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamins. He also began taking rest days, understanding the significance of allowing his body time to recover. Additionally, Aryan embraced mental training. He practiced visualization, picturing himself performing well in the competition, and adopted a positive attitude, believing in his abilities without underestimating his opponents. Finally, the day of the sports competition arrived. Aryan stepped onto the field with a newfound confidence, not just in his physical strength, but in his overall well-being. He engaged with his fellow competitors, appreciating their skills and encouraging them. To his surprise, Aryan discovered that the sports competition wasn't just about individual strength, but also about teamwork and sportsmanship. He formed friendships with fellow participants, cheering them on and celebrating their successes. As the competition progressed, Aryan realized that his transformation went beyond physical changes. He had become a well-rounded athlete, embracing the importance of a balanced and healthy lifestyle. He understood that true strength lay not just in muscles, but in discipline, respect, and a positive mindset. Although Aryan didn't win the competition, he felt like a champion. He had gained something far more valuable: a deeper understanding of what it truly meant to participate in sports. He knew that the journey toward success was not just about winning but about personal growth, learning, and enjoying the process. And so,